The owner is a retired police officer from Oshkosh, Wisconsin. He had this car, not this exact car, but he had one pretty much like this when he was a 16-year-old kid, put it into a tree or a phone pole, one or the other, I can't remember. When he retired, he wanted to rebuild a car to represent his childhood. So he chose to rebuild the 70 Chevelle SS with a few minor alterations. So we added in a fuel injection and an automatic overdrive transmission. We also added in air conditioning in the car, which was never offered in the 70 Chevelle SS with the big block. We put Corvette wheels on it because he didn't care for the wheels that were on the car. Then a mild alterations to it other than that. And car's turnkey, ready to rock and roll and have some fun.
How much power does this car cranks out?
This car is originally a 375 horse 396 with the Edelbrock ProFlow fuel injection unit on it and the March pulley system that's on it and jet coat headers and full exhaust on it. We're pushing it closer to 450 horsepower on the dyno. If we change the tune on it, we can get it up to just about 500 horse. By changing the tune, I can get 26 miles to a gallon driving it down the interstate, or I can get 4 miles to a gallon driving it down the strip.